Work out 0.06 times 0.0003 divided by 0.01. Give your answer in standard form. So when using standard form, the general rule is that we have x multiplied by 10 to the power of y, where x is a number which is less than 10. So the first thing we can do for this question is we can convert these numbers into standard form. So 0.06 is equal to 6 times 10 to the negative 2. 0.0003 is equal to 3 times 10 to the negative 4. And 0.01 is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 2. So what we need to do is we need to substitute these values into the original calculation. So this will give us 6 times 10 to the negative 2 times by 3 times 10 to the negative 4 divided by 1 times 10 to the negative 2. So what we can do now is we can simplify the numerator of this fraction. We can do this by multiplying the 6 and 3 together and then multiplying this 10 to the negative 2 by the 10 to the negative 4. So 6 times by 3 is 18, and then 10 to the negative 2 times by 10 to the negative 4 is 10 to the negative 6. Because when we're multiplying numbers with a power, we add the powers together. And then this is all divided by 1 times 10 to the negative 2. Now what we can see is the numerator of this fraction is no longer in standard form because 18 is above 10. So 18 times by 10 to the minus 6 is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. And this is again all divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 2. So the final thing we need to do for this question is to simplify down this fraction. So we can do this in the same way that we did it before. So we can divide 1.8 by 1 and then 10 to the negative 5 by 10 to the negative 2. So 1.8 divided by 1 gives us 1.8. And then 10 to the minus 5 divided by 10 to the minus 2 gives us 10 to the minus 3. Because when we're dividing with numbers with a power, we minus them. And minus 5 minus negative 2 gives us minus 3. Now as we can see, 1.8 is less than 10, which means this answer is already in standard form.